Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable PIN on Smart Wallet app. Keeping your digital wallet secure is extremely important, especially when it contains your money and personal information. One of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your smart wallet is by enabling a PIN. Launch open the Smart Wallet app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the home page, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner, and from the Settings menu, click on Security. On the next page, toggle on the button right next to PIN. Now, create a new PIN you want to secure with for your wallet. Confirm the new PIN by re-entering it again. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to enable PIN in Smart Wallet. You can also turn on features such as Face ID or Touch ID for faster and more secure access. So that's how you easily enable a PIN on your Smart Wallet app. The simple step greatly improves the security of your account and helps keep your funds safe from unauthorized access. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.